Hello, hi friends. I'm Satish Ambeshange, founder of Pragnan AI. So we are planning to launch a program, Data Science and AI, especially for final year students and who are passed out. So the objective of this program is not any other training program, but which will assure you 100% job. So why we are saying 100% assured job program is because we are not taking anything from you. So we will take the majority of your fees when you get placed, and whatever the small amount what we are taking initially for the commitment of your commitment for the program, that we will be refunding you if you are not placed, because our intention is not to just collect a fee from you and leave, just teach anything and go away. So our intention is to teach the current relevant concepts in depth. This is not a small program, it is an intensive program, and work we will work with you around 1.5 year, so that you learn lot of things and have hands-on experience and then get job. And in this program you are not losing anything. So whatever the initial payment you are trying to give us will be refunded if you are not placed, but we expect certain commitment from you. What are the commitments we are expecting from you is attendance, because we are spending a lot of time for you to train, but if you are not attending the classes, if you are not doing the assignments, if you are not doing the projects, then it is meaningless. So what is we expect from you is the attendance, the scores, and commitments throughout the program. Do the work and leave the job placing you to us actually. And if we are not able to place you, we will refund the fee what we collected. But if you are not able to attend it, if you are not able to complete it, then you have to pay the fee. So that is what the mutual agreement. And the program structures looks like: first initially 6 months is the live sessions with the video recorded sessions, and next 6 to 12 months, like the next 6 months, you will be working with any client, working on the live project in the client. During that time also there is a course which work will be there, but that is in meantime. And after that, like next all during this internship and beyond that, our only intention is to place you. So we will place. And if you have 90% attendance on the scores, and if you are not get placed, and we also give an offer. So we have a consulting staffing company. So we will give an offer with the 2 years contracts. So first year 18K pay, 18K per month consolidated pay, and second year 25K consolidated pay. And third year onwards, if you are trying to do, so 85% whatever the bill amount will be paid to you. But it is up to you. If you are not interested, you can wanted to join back, or if you say that like I don't want your job, I wanted my refund, we will refund you. So object. So in a short, this program is an intensive course, but you are not paying anything majorly, so you will be paying only one if you get a job. So next thing, key thing is actually why only this program. So why only data science and AI? Why not others? So by this time, I think everybody understood what is the future in technology. Like if you look any company, any seminars, any initiatives by the government, so AI is the backbone. So we are in fourth industrial revolution, and AI is entering in every domain. And most of these companies who are working in now are adopting AI. So it is not the my say just for the sake of I'm training, I'm running the course. Like if you look any recent top-notch consulting firms, like this is the BCG consulting groups. So if you look at actually like see and 2030 how many companies, and like if you look the projections and the plan, if you look actually country wise, also like see how much currently like 23% and how much there is a gap, so how much they need to adopt. It's like, so if you look the future in next 5, 10, 15 years, everything is ruled by data science and AI. It's like most of the companies, most of the, irrespective whether it's technology non-technology, I think they have to adopt AI to get competitive in the world. So, and right now, like around 20-25%, if you look India, like so 96% still not adopted. And that is essential to get to be competitive in the world. And I'm not saying my statement, I'm saying that like top-notch consulting firms, what they are trying to say. And if you wanted to be there, to be leader in there, to get value additions from that technology, then this is a program. And apart from that, like if you look the current job trends and how much gap, so talent gaps exist. So this is the one domain there is number of requirements, like number of jobs are more than the talented people available in the market. So talented people means like not just somebody who has awareness about the machine learning or AI. So now that days are gone. Like no companies are looking for somebody who has in-depth knowledge, has done some kind of hands-on projects on that. So they are not looking just like I just have an awareness of data science and AI. So, but there is if you are have a knowledge in data science and AI and had worked on some kind of projects, then definitely they are looking for you. This so and this trend is going in exponential directions. If you want, so this is if you want to check, you can check the LinkedIn and you can type that like data science and AI jobs. You will see that like how many numbers of jobs. Like, for example, if even if I try so searching the LinkedIn jobs, like you will get lot of jobs. Like so compared to any other like so that you can also search. Like I can also search here. So data science jobs you will get. So lots of pages about the jobs. So if you look here, so if you see here downside, if you see here downside, see 40 pages. So so much like if you look the companies across different domains. Like this is the tire company, Michigan, and if it is a retail company, if this is a healthcare company, this is IT company. So like all across all different kind of domains. It's like data science and AI is used across different sectors. So since it is applicable to almost like cement, consumer electronics, mining, healthcare, retail, every sector, so the jobs are exponentially growing. So that is the reason I say that like there is a skill set, like so the number of requirements and the resource, the available talent, there is always there will be gap. So that is one. And it is up to you, like whether you wanted to be in the domain where a lot of jobs are there, or you wanted to still stick to the old technologies. So up to choice is yours. And the thing why you have to join our course is like we don't believe in any shortcuts, because we don't run like 2 months program. You just learn something and then get a job. No, so that is not possible. That is not good thing also. Like so we have an intensive course, and it will be of like 1 year. And I am the trainer, like so like having around 15 years and worked in top-notch companies like Intel, Samsung, and Philips and other things. So we not only develop the product over there, we also written research papers, we also file the patents, we also mentor a lot of startups. So the objective here is like just like I have not just learned some data science and then I'm teaching here, but like we have intensive experience in that and then we are teaching. So because we don't want it to compromise on the training what you get it. So not like 1 year pro person just passed out person and then one here and there he learned data science and then teaching. So the faculty is also very important, because we believe in quality education, we believe in in-depth knowledge, and we believe in hands-on knowledge. So and since like we are promising 100% jobs, like so then you should be learning uh, enough to get a job, because we get paid only when you got a job. So the program also expects you to write 2 research papers, 1 research article, some articles, and participate in some AI or data science competition or hackathon over a course, and complete one live project, that is company projects. 6 month internship is there. During that, like you have to complete one live research project. And you can opt any like some kind of a specialization. I wanted to do in a computer vision or BI or chatbot, so you can specialize like during the end of the course, like you can focus on what kind of specialization you want to do along with learning all these models. So that is also there. And we also give some kind of a brief overview about project management, because finally you have to develop some solutions. So you should be aware about the product life cycle and what needs to be done. And also you should also aware about other technologies, because AI also working with other technologies, AI with IoT, AI with mobile blockchain, AI with AR, VR, big data and Hadoop. So we also give some kind of overview about all those technologies and how they work together. So that like you get an overall picture about the advanced technologies, and you have extensive knowledge in data science and AI. And why this 6 month internship industry project is essential, because all our objective is to skill the gap, what industry needs and what the academics use. So industry needs the person who have hands-on and done something, so worked on something, delivered something, because industry generates revenue if some employee delivers something, not like they learn something. Because so that delivery concepts, like what needs to be done to deliver the product, or like work on live project and complete the project, that all you will get when you work with the industry. So when you work with industry, work on the live projects, work with the team, so you understand and you know how what is the team working in a team and delivering the things. So that industry the project during this the second half 6 months is working with a company or some kind of project which is alive in nature, and work with the team and deliver solutions. And you will get a certificate, industry intern certificate, and also there is a chances of the same company hiring you. So that is there. And I already told you why us, because we are not only training intensively, but we are also promising you that you will get a job at the end of the program if you are attentive. It's like if you are attending classes, you are doing the tasks what we have promised. And if we are not getting the job, so they will refund whatever the initial amount. But majority of the payment comes when you get placed. So, and another thing, what I'm trying to explain here is actually, see, apart from the training, we also have other collaborative partners like AI collaboresearch.com. So in this place, we will enable you to write a research paper, work, collaborate with other team, and write some kind of deep research papers, collaborating with other. And there is also another platform like AIinters.com. So along with this, like you will be building your profile over there, and also get some research internship offers from the companies listed over there. And and if anyone who is interested to or launch a startups, we also help them to launch a startups. We guide, we mentor them, and you can consider your final projects, live projects, if you are interested to. Instead of joining a company, if you have an idea, you want to work on that idea, we will enhance that idea and make sure you develop that idea and launch that idea. That is also possible, because some people may be more ambitious and they wanted to launch their own startups, so but they don't know how to do. So this is the place. So you, instead of joining in a company for internships, you can start working your own idea, we will guide there. So that is also that is also possible. And and this program is not for anyone, so not anyone, so it is very selective, because we wanted the people who are ambitious, the people who are disciplined, the people who wanted to achieve something in their life, and those are the people are welcomed here. And we also look about like initially like only CSC, IS and EC people, but later on we wanted to flex for all courses, but they should have something like around 6.5 or 7 CGP. So that is what is essential. And we will conduct an aptitude test. So they have to score. So they have aptitude test is of mathematics, and also this CS foundation program. It's like all these core subjects, because Along with the data science and AI, they should also have an clear understanding about data structure, algorithm, and all those things, because that is all essential to write a program, like build a solutions. So that also we will focus, and we will conduct an aptitude test, and then based on that we will select the people. And about the program overview, I already explained, but I wanted to little bit spend on our pledge with the people. So we right after the when you register the program, we will sign an agreement with you. So with our pledge of assuring your job placement, and also expects something from you, your pledge for attending class and completing the things. And we also work with you, build your profile. So from build your LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, Kaggle profile, and also like work on the Hacker Ranker, attend Hacker Ranker test, because those see these are the places where your profile and having some certificates from these Hacker Ranker, like badges from these test platforms, helps you to get a job. So build your profile, career profile, and that is long lasting profile. It is not that like just for first time the job, but this helps you next stop, next stop, next job. So that is what we will work with you apart from the training the course. And the next question what people may have is actually, what happens if they are not able to score 75%? What is asked for? Attendance is anyhow they will manage, but what of like, so we will help you. We will help you, and also we will give opportunity to uh, enhance the score by doing more projects, writing more research papers, and building like more solutions. Because the intention over here is actually like, if you are not see initially if you are not able to cope with the course, but we will mentor you, we will train you, but later on we'll give also opportunity to do more projects and score. Because our intention is not to make sure that like you don't score 75%. No, our intention is that you put a lot of hard work and develop solutions, understands. Because when you work on solutions, when you develop something, then only will understand things. Because it is not that like just a theory, I teach something and then you understand. No. So after the theory sessions, after theory sessions, you will have assignments, you have code assignments, you have a quiz, you have the projects, mini projects, something. So then you work on, then only your concepts get cleared, and your confidence level improves. And so that is what we wanted. And if you have scored less initially, you can make up that by doing a lot of projects, add-on research projects, and writing projects. So, and the projects, additional research papers, all carry more marks. So all these basic initial assignments, but that way we are giving opportunity you to score 75%. But still, if you are not interested, then there is other thing also will take care, but that I will explain later on. But we expect you should give your time and do practice. The about the core curriculum structures, like we will start initially we'll start with database and SQL sessions, and Python programming foundation, and also some basic foundation about the programming, so data structures and programming constructs, and logical thinking, programmatic thinking. So we will spend a lot of time that, because we want you to be hands-on programming and developing solutions. So we spend a lot of time here to get exposed to the programming, Python programming, and basics of programming. And then in the second stage, so we will start with the foundation of data science. So, and we will teach a lot of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, SciPy, and the scikit-learn. So, and for data foundations, where statistics knowledge is very essential. So we will teach the basic statistical foundations. So it will be video series, and also like some tools which you can use to or write statistical programs, like write Python based statistical analysis. So we will spend a lot of time, because how much knowledge you have in statistics helps you to how better you understand, analyze the data. So we'll spend a lot of time here, because these the Python programming and statistical knowledge is a very much essential and foundation for a data scientist. So we'll spend some time here. And the next stage, we enter into data science, introduction in DD and data visualization. So in this space, like we will explain you how to use visualization tools, data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, to analyze the data. So along with the statistical methods and how you can use the data visualization tools to analyze data, and how can we do data explorative analysis. So with some kind of real world 10 case studies. So we will give a case studies from Ola, taxi, retail, e-commerce, like across the domain, not like that one domain we won't focus, like a few key domains where the jobs are more. So you will be doing some case studies. We'll be doing along with case studies with us, some case studies analyzing the EDMs, like exploratory analysis of those case studies, and what can you infer from that data. So and after that, like so the first phase is the teaching. Second phase of any stage is lot of practice, like a lot of assignments, and you have to score well actually. Then the next stage is very essential, very important one. Stage is BI, business intelligence. So here we'll teach you Tableau, Data Studio, Google Data Studio, and Power BI. So these three are very niche skills, and lot of companies looking for the people who are good in these things. So Power BI with the DAX, M languages with 5 real cases, Tableau with 5 real cases, real world cases, and Data Studio with with BigQuery and 5 real studios. Like how to build, like analyze data using these tools. So we spend a lot of time here, and this is very good skills to have to get a jobs. So the next stage, we start moving from data science to machine learning. So we'll start with core machine learning foundations, and doing some mini projects on the using Power BI table, because one mini project is very essential to do on Tableau. Use either using Tableau, Power BI, or Google Studio. One mini projects. So on data analytics, business intelligence. So that is very essential, and you will be doing that while we are teaching machine learning foundation. So then when you machine learning foundation is done, when machine learning foundation is done, we will try to place in a company. So with the internship, so you will be working with the company on the live projects provided by the company, either from your own place or at the company insights, depending on the company needs and your comfortability. So industry, but like industry project internship is essential. That will last for 6 months, and during this 6 months, all the sessions will be there during evening. Only 2 days in a week. So the remaining modules will be covered. So the next model is actually on the machine learning advanced concepts. So we will go how to optimize a model, how to evaluate a model, the deployment of a model, auto ML, time series, recommendation engine. So all these advanced concepts will be taught in stage 5. And up to stage 5, we covered data science and machine learning. And then from stage 6 onwards, we will start entering into deep learning and NLP. So we'll start with the deep learning, computer vision, and we will teach Keras, PyTorch, OpenCV from the programming languages. Uh, then we also cover CNN, RNN, LSTM, autoencoders, GANs during this deep learning stage 6 thing. And because anyhow you are doing the major project with the company, so you will be doing assignments and the case studies there. And in stage 7 is further deep dive into deep learning and NLP. So you will learn the NLP foundations, and you will learn the Google, how to write a chatbot using Google Dialogflow and WordPress platforms, like the platforms. So other and at least five chatbots you will be developing. So basic chatbots, because when you write three, four chatbots, then only will get a feeling, almost like you will get some kind of experience in the NLP and using those tools. Like your concepts will be clear, and also you will understand how to use these tools to write a chatbots. So from stage 8 onwards, it is like participating in the competitions, writing research papers, and attend mock interviews, attending the placements. Like placement drive starts from stage 8. So enhancing, like if you score low, then you will be doing multiple add-on papers or the modules, everything. So from stage 8 onwards, like we will be focusing on placing you, and any gaps, like we if companies like where you worked on internship, so gives, they say that like these are the concepts, like so we will work filling the gaps so that like you get placed after that, like so that is what is there after the stage 8. So in summary, like first 6 months you will be having 4 days a week, 2 hours per day, and models will be covered up to machine learning. From 6 to 12, from machine learning, deep learning and NLP will be covered, but 2 days a week, because during this time you will be working in an internship in a company, and when that internship about to end, and we will start focusing on placing you. So a lot of placement drives, more projects, more mock interviews, practice, and this. So the at the end of the program, we will make sure that like you will get placed. And since like you will be paying very minimal fees initially, like maximum around 80-90% of fees will be paid when you get a job. So it is our responsibility to get placed, and it is your responsibility or commitment to attend the class and complete the assignments. And the all those performing students, for example, all those performing students, if they after end of the program still they are not able to place, so we have three options: either we will refund your initial payment what we have taken from you, or we will give an offer from our company with the payment structures what I have mentioned here, or else like if you want to still continue with the placement, we'll support, like so we will support you till you get a job. But since like we are not able to place after like the course and whatever the commitment time, so we will refund your fee. So we will refund the whatever the initial fee what you have taken from, or else like we'll give an offer. If you don't want that offer also, if you don't want refund, if you want to continue so further, you can continue, but after getting job you no need to pay anything. So if you look this whole course, so we are working with you for 1.5 years, extensively training you, making sure you get hands-on work, get mentorship, met exposure to work, so get other technology exposure. But if we have failed to place you, we are refunding. It's like it is completely free for you. It's like that we will take ownership. So we take our responsibility, our ownership, saying that like if you are not placed, so we'll refund for you. But what also we expect is actually commitment from you that you should be done. And the rest all is uh, like if you are not able to score above 60% and all those things, then then we will work out how we can, as per the guidelines what we said initially, like it will be like you have to pay, because after repeated, because what we will analyze actually whether you neglect the course, like intention here is not to penalize you, but intention here is actually whether this person is attending the class regularly, learning something, or just ignoring, or like not like not practicing or not taking seriously. If you are not taking seriously, and we will be charging you. But intention is like if you seriously attending the course, you wanted to learn, you wanted to build your career, you wanted to become a data scientist in this year, so then this course is for you. And we want those kind of students to join the course, and we are charging you only when you get placed. So again, to summarize, this is the structure. So initially 6 months, like 4 days a week, we will be teaching, and next 6 months, 2 days a week, and then the placement drive. So, and we are assuring 100% kind of jobs, or else like we'll give an offer letter from the company consulting of like, so we have a service uh, staffing and service company, so that will give an offer as per I mentioned here. So it's up to you. It's optional actually. It is not enforced on you. So this is all from us. So we hope you like it. If you have any query or anything you can say, or you can connect us on this platform. So AI-collab-research.com, AI interns. So this we will be launching as a separate platform. So you can connect over here, and any research paper or anything internship, like, so this is a platform where your internships, it's like you will connect with the employees who are looking for internship. So like in machine learning, visualization, chatbot, any like, so sub models, like not completely AI, but like a specific model of an AI. So, or overall AI. So this is the place, like, and you will be working with us, writing a paper or collaborating and building a team, everything through this platform. So this platform will the collaboration platform where you can build a team and you can work on the projects, you can work on the research papers. So all this, like, so this is the platform, and the all the courses, everything will be hosted here. So you will be looking like attending the courses and completing assignments, everything will be here from this platform. So you have to register for this platform, so we'll give the link when you join the course. So that's all. So thank you for listening the video, and we hope you like it and join the course. Thank you.